Hello, Sudoku friends. Hi guys, welcome back with the second Sudoku, and the second Sudoku is a two-star Sudoku in this additional of today's newspaper of Saturday, March the 6th. Well, it's actually Sunday the 7th, but there is no newspaper on Sunday, so I will continue with the extra Sudokus in the additional of Saturday, and this will be number 2433. Alright, and before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Alright, so let's get started. The last column, we have four missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these two boxes. So the 6 could be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Alright. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Alright, 3 missing numbers in the last column. Those numbers are the 2, the 3, and the 4. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. And look, we have a 2 and a 4 there, so no 2 and a 4 in this box. The 2 and the 4 goes in those two boxes, the 2 and the 4. So one digit left in the last column for the number 3. Alright. So we have a 3 in this column, 3 in the last column, so the column between, the only place for the 3 should be there. 9, 7, okay. Okay, so we have a 3 in this row, 3 in the third row, so the row between, the second row, the only place for the 3 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 3. How about the 1 in this column? 1 in that column. So the column between, the middle column, the only place for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 5. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Alright. Then. Let me see. 7 in this row. 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 7 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these two boxes. Here 6, no 6 in those two boxes. So one box left for the 6 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in those two boxes. One box left for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 4. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright. So we have a 4 in this column, 4 in one of those two boxes in the last column, so the column between, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, or there. We see here 4, we see there 4, so no 4 in those two boxes. One box left for the 4 should be here. 2 boxes left in this column for the numbers 1 and 8. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 9. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 2 numbers left in this third row. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 4 and 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there, and the 4 goes here. Alright. 2 numbers left in this second row for the numbers 1 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and a 5. Okay. How about yeah. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these 2 boxes. Here 9, no 9 in that box. So the 9 could be here, could be there. That means I have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So this box cannot be a 9 anymore. This should be a 5. And this should be a 9. All right. 2 numbers left in this row. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. And the 7 is missing. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 5 goes there. All right. In this column, the third column, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. So the 5 could be here or there. We see here also a 5, so no 5 here. Only place for the 5 should be there. So we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We see here 5, we see there 5, so no 5 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. All right. Let me see. 3, 8. Yeah. In this row, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 4. We see here 4, so no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 in this row should be there, the 4. All right. And then let me see. I need to connect the power. Apologies, my mobile phone. Yes, now we have power. All right, let's continue. 1, 4, 2, 9, 2, 9, 6. Okay, 2, 6. We have a 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in the middle row for the numbers 8 and 5. 8 and 5 are missing. We see there 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 here. So this box cannot be 5 anymore. This box should be the 5. And this box should be a 1. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 5. All right. In this big square, We have 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1. No 1 in these 3 boxes. Here 1. No 1 in those 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. So we have a 1 in this column, 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 1 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 6. 2 and 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. All right. Then. Yeah. We have a pair 4 in this column, 4 in the middle columns on the column next. The only 2 places for the 4 could be here, could be there. Same story with the 7. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 7 could be here, could be there. Together with the 4, we have a pair, the 4 and the 7. So 1 digit left in this column for the number 9. Alright. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 8. 3 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and 8. Alright. So we have the 8, 1, and the 7. Okay. The 2. Yeah. I need a pair. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Yeah. 9 and 6. Well. Okay. Three missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 8 is missing, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. And look, we have an 8 there in this row, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. Those 2 boxes are reserved in this big square for the numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. The 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 here, so this box cannot be a 3 anymore. This box should be a 3, and this box should be an 8. Alright. Then an 8 in this row, 8 in the last row, so the row between. The only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. We have here 2 and a 4, so the other pair should be the 1 and the 7. 1 and the 7. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes with the 1. Now we have a 1 there, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This box should be a 1. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 1. 1 box left in this row for the number 7. Alright. Now we have a 7 here, so this box cannot be a 7 anymore. This box should be a 7, and this box should be a 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box cannot be a 4 anymore. This box should be a 4, and this box should be a 2. Alright, 1 number left in this row for the number 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box cannot be a 2 anymore. This box should be a 2, and this box should be a 6. 2 in this column, 2 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the number 6 and 9, we have a 6 there. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 6. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 9 and 3. 9 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Alright, quicker than the previous Sudoku, I believe. I do not know. Previous Sudoku, 40 minutes or 60 minutes. Well. Anyway, this is definitely a 2 stars Sudoku, and I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last 2 puzzles, a tectonic one and a binary one. See you later. Bye bye for now.